Your liver can silently store fat, leading to fatigue, weight gain, and even serious health risks, without you even knowing it. Could the foods you're eating every day be contributing to this hidden problem? But there are natural ways to heal your liver, reverse the damage, and get back on track with your health, and all without medications. In this video, we're breaking down the real cause behind fatty liver, and how you can reverse it naturally with just a few key changes. Welcome to Levitas. A fatty liver, or hepatic steatosis, occurs when excess fat builds up in the liver cells. While it's normal for the liver to have small amounts of fat, when fat makes up more than 5 to 10% of the liver's weight, it becomes a health concern. There are two main types of fatty liver: alcoholic fatty liver, caused by heavy drinking, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, also known as NAFLD, which occurs in people who drink little to no alcohol. NAFLD is often linked to obesity, poor diet, and sedentary lifestyles. Fatty liver is a dangerous issue, because the liver is responsible for over 500 functions, including detoxification, nutrient processing, and bile production. When the liver becomes overloaded with fat, it can't function properly, which can lead to inflammation, scarring like in cirrhosis, and even liver failure in severe cases. The good news is that fatty liver is often reversible, especially in the early stages, with the right lifestyle changes, which we'll explore today. One of the biggest culprits in the development of fatty liver is sugar, especially fructose, the type of sugar found in many processed foods and sugary beverages. When you consume sugar, your body breaks it down into glucose and fructose. While glucose is used for energy, excess fructose is processed by the liver. The liver converts fructose into fat, and when this happens too frequently, it can lead to fat accumulation in the liver itself. Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, and energy drinks are especially harmful because they flood your liver with fructose. This overload forces your liver to store fat, leading to fatty liver disease. High fructose corn syrup, a common ingredient in processed foods, is another major contributor. Over time, this constant sugar intake causes insulin resistance, which worsens fatty liver and increases your risk of type 2 diabetes. To reverse fatty liver, it's crucial to eliminate your intake of added sugars and focus on healthier alternatives. We'll discuss some of the best natural sweeteners to use later in the video. Unhealthy fats, especially trans fats, seed oils, and margarine, are major contributors to fatty liver disease. Trans fats, found in processed foods, baked goods, and margarine, are artificially created by hydrogenating vegetable oils, making them solid at room temperature. These fats not only raise your bad cholesterol and lower your good cholesterol, but they also promote fat storage in the liver, leading to inflammation, worsening fatty liver, and destroying your heart health. Seed oils like soybean, canola, corn, and sunflower oil are often labeled as heart-healthy, but they are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which cause an imbalance with omega-3 fatty acids in the body. This imbalance triggers chronic inflammation, which contributes to fat accumulation in the liver and heart disease. Over time, consuming these oils leads to liver dysfunction, increased insulin resistance, and fat buildup. Margarine, once promoted as a healthier alternative to butter, is loaded with trans fats and unhealthy vegetable oils. These fats disrupt normal liver function, contributing to the development of NAFLD. To reverse the damage, it's essential to eliminate these unhealthy fats from your diet, and replace them with healthier options, which we'll dive into next. While cutting out sugar is crucial for healing fatty liver, you don't have to give up sweetness altogether. Natural, low-calorie sweeteners like allulose, stevia, and monk fruit offer a great alternative that don't overload your liver with fructose. These sweeteners provide sweetness without spiking your blood sugar or adding extra calories, which helps your liver focus on breaking down fats rather than storing them. Allulose in particular, is a rare sugar found in small amounts in certain fruits. It has a similar taste and texture to sugar but doesn't get metabolized the same way. Studies show that allulose can help reduce liver fat and improve insulin sensitivity, making it a great choice for reversing fatty liver. Stevia, derived from the leaves of the stevia plant, is another excellent option. It's a natural sweetener with 0 calories and has been shown to lower blood sugar levels without causing fat storage in the liver. Monk fruit extract is a powerful sweetener that comes from the monk fruit, native to Southeast Asia. It's sweeter than sugar, but it contains no calories or carbs, making it a perfect choice for those with fatty liver. By switching to these natural sweeteners, you can still enjoy sweetness while giving your liver the chance to heal. So, what can you eat to heal a fatty liver? To repair your liver naturally, it's important to include nutrient-dense foods that support liver function and reduce fat accumulation. Here are some of the best foods to include in your diet. Leafy greens like spinach, kale, and arugula are packed with antioxidants and nutrients that help detoxify the liver and reduce inflammation. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts contain compounds that improve liver detoxification and help reduce fat buildup. Lemon water is a simple way to support liver health. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help the liver produce enzymes needed for digestion and detoxification. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are high in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve liver fat metabolism. Avocados are rich in healthy fats and glutathione, an antioxidant that plays a key role in liver detoxification. Walnuts are another great source of omega-3s and antioxidants, which support liver function and reduce fat accumulation. Eggs are high in choline, a nutrient that helps move fat out of the liver and prevent fat buildup. Celery is low in calories but high in fiber and antioxidants, helping reduce inflammation and detoxify the liver. These foods can make a significant difference in reversing fatty liver. So, how long does it take to improve a fatty liver? The time it takes to improve it depends on the severity of the condition, and how committed you are to making dietary and lifestyle changes. Most people start to see improvements within 4 to 6 weeks of adopting a liver-friendly diet and cutting out harmful substances like sugar and trans fats. During this time, the liver begins to process and reduce fat buildup, improve insulin sensitivity, and lower inflammation. With consistent effort, further improvements can be seen over several months, and with discipline, fatty liver can be fully reversed. Intermittent fasting can be a powerful tool in healing fatty liver. Fasting helps reduce insulin levels, which allows the liver to access stored fat and break it down for energy. This process helps reduce liver fat and improves overall liver function. One of the most effective fasting methods for fatty liver is the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window. During the fasting period, your liver can focus on detoxifying and repairing itself rather than processing food. During the eating window, it's essential to consume nutrient-dense, liver-friendly foods like those mentioned earlier. Make sure to stay hydrated with water, herbal teas, and lemon water throughout the day. For those new to fasting, it's important to start slowly, perhaps with a 12-hour fast and gradually increasing the fasting period as your body adjusts. Fasting combined with a liver-friendly diet can significantly accelerate the healing process, allowing your liver to regenerate and function optimally. In conclusion, fatty liver often goes undetected, and it can quietly lead to fatigue, weight gain, and serious health risks. Sugar, particularly fructose, and unhealthy fats like trans fats and seed oils are major contributors to this condition. However, healing is possible by eliminating these harmful substances and embracing natural sweeteners like allulose, stevia, and monk fruit. Incorporating liver-friendly foods such as leafy greens, eggs, fatty fish, avocados, and walnuts can further aid in recovery. Intermittent fasting, especially the 16-8 method, enhances fat breakdown in the liver, accelerating its healing process. With these healthy changes, your fatty liver can begin to improve within just 4 to 6 weeks. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.